we have a few steps back? I don't know if you're within 25 feet or not. Thank you.
It's encroachment of a police officer. They just it's a 25-foot rule. It's wherever
and
we
I'm
decide.
25 foot, and then it's whatever you decide. Is that what you said?
Yep, it's wherever we decide the barrier is, which is the back of my car.
Okay, so now you got to put up tape for somebody can know that.
If you want me to put up tape, I'm going to put tape all the way back there, and we could start it back there. Well, I'm asking you to back in the car, but like I said, this car is fine, I guess, if you want to argue about it.
Good morning, folks. We got a video from a channel called Leo Watcher. In this video, the cops try to move him back, but he stands his ground. I think you guys are going to like this one. I recently saw a video on his channel where the cops raided someone's house. They broke all the windows. They took a 15-year-old into custody, questioned him without his parents being there. Apparently, they were looking for somebody that was not in the house. The 15-year-old sister left a comment on the channel explaining exactly what happened. I want to give a quick shout out to Midwest Accountability. He's a smaller channel, but he's always looking out for everybody in this community. Thanks for everything you do, bro. All right, folks, let's get right to the video. I don't want to take much of your time. I know time is precious, and I do appreciate you guys being here with us. So without further ado, let's watch this video. We'll pause for some comments, and I'll give you my final thoughts at the end.
We got one suspect detained.
We have a few steps back. I don't know if you're within 25 feet or not. Thank you.
Hey man, you're all good doing what you're doing. They just want you to back up. We'll create a barrier back of my car.
Until they do, then I will move.
No, I'm
telling you. You know, I know, but until they create a barrier.
Yeah, it is. It's the back of my car.
Well, put something up there.
It looks like this area is surrounded by apartment complexes. What I did notice, and maybe this is too early in the day that nobody's outside, but where I'm from, whenever there's cops in the area and there's apartment complexes around, it seems like there's a lot of people that come outside to see what's happening. While watching this video, it makes me wonder if these cops in that area have everybody scared to death to go outside when the cops are there. Let me know what you guys think.
And plus, ain't you from South Bend?
Yep.
Name?
Officer Overton.
PN?
2292.
So you're giving somebody a directive orders in a different town?
Absolutely.
Well, you know that's against the law, right?
Nope. I have powers all throughout the Indiana state.
Really?
And we're in Indiana. So.
All right, well, tell them to create a barrier, and then I can go step back. I'm right now.
I'm talking with you.
Yeah, well, you got to, you know, tape, barrels.
Nope, it's my car.
Yeah, well, you still got to put up tape.
It's encroachment of a police officer. They just it's a 25-foot rule. It's wherever
and
we decide.
25 foot, and then it's whatever you decide. Is that what you said?
Yep, it's wherever we decide the barrier is, which is the back of my car.
Okay, so now you got to put up tape for somebody can know that.
If you want me to put up tape, I'm going to put tape all the way back there, and we could start it back there.
Oh, so you can do what you want, but
I'm giving you the option. You could just.
And I'm just telling you, you got to do your job proper, right? If it's a scene, you guys got to tape it off with barrier.
I'm not going to argue with you.
I'm not arguing. I'm just stating facts. Ain't it in your policy? If you want a border, you got to put up tape.
No.
Or block it off if it's a roadway.
No. I'm just, like I said, they told me to ask you, so I'm telling you.
Okay, and I declined because I'm well aware of the 25 feet rule. Traffic stop does not consist of a 25 feet rule. Okay? It's not a scene. It's not a crime scene. But as you see, I'm well aware. I did not go up any further, did I?
Well, I'm asking you to back in the car, but like I said, this car is fine, I guess, if you want to argue about it.
Well, thank you. And I ain't arguing. I'm just stating facts.
If you're not doing what I'm telling you, you're arguing.
Well, I don't have to because I don't follow your law. I didn't break no law. Right there, go over here and ask them.
All right, folks, let me read to you what it says right here regarding this new 25-foot Indiana law. An Indiana law that gives on-duty police a 25-foot buffer that bystanders cannot cross does not violate the U.S. Constitution. That's according to a federal judge's ruling Friday. The ACLU of Indiana filed a lawsuit last year challenging the law on behalf of Donald Nicodemus. I definitely believe that is unconstitutional, that is unreasonable. We the people need to be able to hear and see what's going on out there. Cops keep doing their best to push us back, trying to take it up with the legislature and the courts. They're trying to put in new stipulations, new ordinances, new laws that violate the Constitution. You guys got to understand the government does this all the time. This is why we the people need to be out there recording, documenting, auditing, cop watching, asking questions and demanding answers. Government does not like transparency and accountability, but they want to force it upon you. All unconstitutional laws need to be challenged, folks. Thomas Jefferson wrote, "When the people fear the government, there is tyranny. When the government fears the people, there is liberty." I definitely believe that to be true, but the government doesn't want you having any power. They want to have it all for themselves. Folks, I want to send you over to Leo Watcher's channel. Make sure you guys subscribe. Definitely show him some support. We built our channel by getting out there and recording police, doing First Amendment audits, but we definitely seen that smaller channels needed help as well, so we do our best to highlight these smaller channels, help them grow. With that being said, I want to thank you all for tuning in, and before you get out of here, we're going to give you the First Amendment of the Constitution. Since they're not teaching our kids in school, since they're not teaching the cops in the academies, we have to teach each other on social media. You have freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly, and freedom to petition your government for redress of grievances. Keep in mind that these documents were not written to give you rights. They were written to limit the scope of authority that government has over we the people. All right, folks, always record the police. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.